Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Knowledge Base. I'm here to give you the knowledge as well, and this knowledge as well is about ChatGPT. And in this case, we're also going to look at something that always disturbs most people, and in this manner is just a sales and inventory management template. So we're here to show you, for the entrepreneurs, for the business community, for those micro and macro, and those who are SMEs and whoever is out there, you can develop this by yourself. I know so many people are doing their businesses here and there, but they do not know where to get all these things, as most of these templates and most of these companies that provide these systems are quite expensive. And yet here we have the open ChatGPT. Here in this case, I'm here to make sure that I give you the knowledge about ChatGPT. So today we are covering a topic, and that topic is about sales, sales inventory management. We're going to look at the sales and inventory management. But in this case, we are targeting, how do I command ChatGPT? How do I tell ChatGPT that this is what I want? How do you tell ChatGPT that this is what I want? Let's get running. I'll tell it that using Excel, because I need it in Excel format. Using Excel, design a sales and inventory management template. Okay, let's be there. Maybe you're looking at doing your business, you're looking at improving your business, but you want to have these templates on your computer, but you do not know. Okay, you do not know. Most especially, we're talking about the command. Guys, let's look at how do we command. Getting the right command of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can always give you all the information, but it will only give you the right information when you really command it right. And now here I'm telling ChatGPT and say, using Excel, design a sales and inventory management template. Okay, you see, when you get this template, then you're able to go into your whatever, your Excel, drop this, copy and drop, and make sure you just align and put in the right information. Remember, ChatGPT will not give you any information concerning your inventory or sales, because you also understand your own sales. So ChatGPT may not know your sales and inventory. So we get running now. ChatGPT in less than 10 seconds. This is why I love ChatGPT. This is why I love ChatGPT. In 10 seconds, it has already given you whatever you need, and in simplicity, in a manner that really builds you perfectly. Okay, look at this. It's going in, it's doing in, and look at what it has done for us. Okay, now using it, did not draw the tables. You realize it did not draw any tables for you. Where did we go wrong? Yet when we commanded it and said using Excel, where did we go wrong? Using Excel, design a sales and inventory. Please, I can go back and say, make sure it's designed with Excel. Let me command it again and say, make sure it is designed. Okay, guys, I am changing the command. Okay, I want it to make sure that it draws this that we need. Okay, make sure it is drawn. Let's see whether he will do it. You see, I'm trying to show you different commands. Here it is giving you whatever you're doing. Okay, it is giving you the formulas, it is giving you everything. So if you're very good at Excel, you're able to know what this is all about, and just copy and paste and input it in your Excel. I am still skeptical. I'm saying make sure it is designed with Excel. Now whatever I do, I'll go back here and say, where did we go wrong? I'll copy this and I'll put it here, and I'll go back. I say, can I change my command? Why did it not draw my Excel? Let's change it and say, by drawing drawing, let's see whether it will accept this command. Remember guys, I told you that it's about the command you give to these guys. Let me say, by drawing using Excel, design a sales and inventory management template. Let's say whether it will accept my command. Remember guys, I told you it's about your command, and you can always change your command until when you get whatever you need. So let's get running and let's see what it has done. Remember, there are basic steps. Now, look, still it is not designing the Excel sheet. Where did we go wrong? We must make sure that it gives us the Excel sheet. I'll copy this again. Okay? I'll copy this again. And I say by drawing using Excel. Maybe I'll remove this. Design a sales and inventory management template using Excel. Let me change my command. We need to get there to the right command, guys. Here I'm trying to trickle your mind to see how we change our command. Every command you give, it changes something. Still it is not designing the Excel sheet. Okay, using Excel sheet. Let me say using Excel sheets. Let me add the word sheets. Now, in this case, I want you to understand how really you can keep changing this kind of command and see how it adapts to the kind of command. At some point, it may even refuse to do this, but it will give you only what you're supposed to input yourself, because remember, it does not understand your kind of business. We will have to go through and make sure we change our command, and together, me and you, we need to know where have we gone wrong. Okay, where have we gone wrong? We are putting it here. Design a sales. Okay, let's read it. Now let's say make a sales by using Excel. Make a sales and inventory management template by using Excel. Let's remove this and let's see now. I want to show you that in anything you do, any command you give, it will be able to give you the right things. Look at this. It's still not accepting. Means my command is still being viewed in that same way. We must get this together as you're watching. I need you to get to the right command language. You see, when you don't have the right command language, then it will do this. Here we say design a sales and inventory management template using Excel sheets. Okay? Maybe I can change the language. I say with Excel, draw a sales and inventory management template. With Excel, that's the first command. Draw a sales and inventory management template. Let me see whether it will accept this command and see how it will also respond. Remember, as I told you, it is by how you command this. Now, you see how it has changed. It is commanding. It's still not drawing as the Excel sheet table. Maybe. Can we look at the table? Can we look at, I'm sorry for any confusion, but as a text-based AI, I don't have the capability to directly create a visual content like drawings or images, including Excel templates. Now, here it tells you that it doesn't have this capacity. Now, when ChatGPT gets lost because of different commands, it will tell you it has no capacity. But I know ChatGPT can do this at one point. Means that we need to formulate our command very, very well. Now, let's look at drawing the table. I need to ignite it. This has capacity to do anything. Let's do this. With Excel, draw a sales and inventory management template. Okay, we said in Excel, with Excel, okay, let's say using Excel format. Let's look at this, using Excel format. Right, you see now, this is what I wanted. Okay, this is the simple format. They have given us the simple one. You see how I've changed my command. Using Excel format, draw a sales and inventory management template. Okay, now it goes in here and say, I understand that you're looking for a visual presentation of a sales and inventory management template using Excel. While I can't create a visual image here, I can provide you with a simple text-based presentation of how you might set up your Excel sheet. Now, still, it's about you asking for it for information. Now, you see, it has done it. It has given the sales sheet and then the inventory sheet and how it is supposed to be created. And guess what? You can copy this and put it in your Excel at any one time. Let's try it out maybe. Let's see whether we can copy and paste this in the Excel sheet. Whether it is easily copied or whatever it will do. Let's look at this and let's get running. Let's see how we can do this. Let's do this. Let's maybe increase a little bit here and let's see, copy and paste. Okay, you see how it is. Then here you're able to get all this and start creating your own. You can start creating your own, and when you're given this, you are able to create whatever you want by changing this and put your columns. You are able to design the columns. You are able to pick each and every item that you need in each and every Excel column as you need to design your own columns. Remember, this is just a template, and for yourself, you also have your own Excel sheet, and you would want also to know how best to use in your own Excel sheet. You can design your own Excel sheet. You can do anything that you want. So thank you so much. It's been a great pleasure, most especially you being patient to learn, most especially on how to command it differently. And it is through this that you're able to learn on how to twist your questions here and there to get whatever you want. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.